Welcome, this is Vichi Philip from Adi Krantipuri Vastu Belabandha Fadake Vidyalaya English Medium, New Panvel. Students, in this lesson, we are going to study Standard 8 History lesson number 1, that is Sources of History. Students, can you tell me what is history? Okay, events occurred in the past is known as history. In the previous years, what you have learned, which type of history do you learned in the previous years? Ancient history, that is correct. And last year, okay, medieval history. Okay, so this year you are going to learn modern Indian history. Okay, so what are the sources of history? Material sources, correct, written sources, okay, and oral sources. Okay, these three are the general sources of history. But now this is modern Indian history you are going to learn. So modern technology based sources are also there, that is audio, video and audio visual sources. So this is the fourth sources of history, audio visual sources. Students, today we are going to focus only on material sources. Can you tell me some examples of material sources? Okay, buildings, coins, correct. Then come on, ornaments, then clothings, correct. Then okay, seals, royal seals, that is also a source of history. Museums, very good. Okay, religious places, that is places of worship. Okay, these all are the sources of material sources of history, that is various objects, monuments, places, coins and sculptures. Okay, now let's see buildings and places. Modern Indian history is believed as a period of European, that is the British rulers' time, and the governors of princely states. This is the period of modern Indian history. Britishers period in India is known as a modern Indian history. You know that during this period, various buildings, bridges, roads, water supply system, fountains, etc. were built by the Britishers. Even these buildings includes government offices, residence of officers, leaders and revolutionaries, places of rulers of princely states, forts, prisons, etc. Look at the images, children. You can see bridges, roads, even buildings, then water supply system. Then what you can see, just look at the picture. Okay, fountains, etc. Okay, very good. And but do you know that these monuments are intact even today? Okay, intact means undamaged. See, some of these buildings or monuments are declared as national monuments, and some are converted into museum. Okay, students, example, cellular jail in Andaman. So when you visit these places, what type of information do you get? Okay, you get the information about the contemporary history, then architecture, nature of the monument and also the economic condition of that particular period. Students, if you visit cellular jail in Andaman, you get information about the revolutionary work of V.D. Savarkar. Can you tell me the full name of V.D. Savarkar? What is the full form of V.D.? Okay, correct. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. And have you seen Mani Bhavan in Mumbai? Look at the picture, Mani Bhavan in Mumbai. Okay, if you visit Mani Bhavan in Mumbai, you get information about the history of Gandhian era. What is this, children? Okay, Sevagram Ashram at Wardha. This is known as Bapu Kudi. Okay. And if you visit a Sevagram Ashram at Wardha, you get information about Gandhiji. Now, what is the relation between history and museum? Okay, museum means what? See, various objects, paintings, photograph and such other things are preserved and keep in the museum. Example of museum, Aga Khan Palace in Pune. And any other examples of museum, can you tell me? Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Museum at Mumbai. Then Pune, Reserve Bank Museum in Pune. This Aga Khan Palace is also in Pune. Okay. And do you think that only these three museums are here? No. So many government museums are there. Private collectors, private museums are also there. And see, museums related, coins museum, coins and currencies or coins and notes. Then nutcrackers museums, lamps museum, cricket equipments museum. So many things are. Even Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Museum at Mumbai, you can see, if you visit that museum, you can see the things used by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Okay. Even you visit this Aga Khan Museum, you get information about the life of Mahatma Gandhi. Who was Mahatma Gandhi? He is the father of our nation. Okay, very good. Now let's see statues and memorials. Look at the statues. Okay, can you see? Okay. Do you get any information from the statues? Yes, very good. You get information about the full name of that particular person and his birth and death details, then his contribution, then biographical sketch of that particular person. All these we get all this information we get from the statues. Okay. Now see the statues of Jyotirao Phule, Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, Lokmanya Tilak, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Okay, these are erected in the memory of their great contribution. And we get information about the concerned event, then that particular period and people related to that event. Extra we will get from these statues and memorials. See, first picture, just look at that first statue, that is Hutatma Smarak. Okay, this is also erected in various places. Students, can I ask you some questions? Can you tell me any two example of material sources? Any two? Okay. Historical monuments. Very good. Then? Yes. buildings. Okay, very good. Then can you tell me one of the example of any museum? Any museum. Okay, Aga Khan Palace. Where is it located? It is in Pune. Then, whose information do you get from the cellular jail in Andaman? Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Very good. One more is there. From where do you get information about Gandhiji or Gandhian era? If you visit Mani Bhavan or Sevagram Ashram at Wardha. Even if you go to Aga Khan Palace in Pune. Okay. Then can you tell me something about museums? What are the things preserved and kept in the museum? Okay, photographs, historical documents, paintings. Okay, very good. Okay, clear. Okay, I hope that everybody understood. See, what is the meaning of plaque? The display plaque on the statues gives us information about the full name of the concerned person. So, what is display plaque? That is, the plaque means plate or the label attached to that particular statue. Okay, students, I hope you understood everything. Okay, let's stop for today. Thank you, students.